Hey, welcome back to another video from BMR Parts and Marine located in Burnsville, Minnesota. We got another freshwater engine here today. This one is a 2050 horse Johnson 20-inch 2-stroke. Let's see here. Came back compression at 140 and 135 psi. Lower unit pressure tested good. The prop that is on it will go with it. It is an aluminum prop. Not exactly sure if that's going to be the right one for your boat. It's just a starting point. New spark plugs, new fuel filter, new lower unit lube. Fuel system's been cleaned and the impeller's been changed. Go ahead and fire this up here. Pumping good water. We do mix them a little bit strong, so it's going to smoke a little bit more. There's no wind here like there would be on a lake. Give it a second here. Go ahead and put it forward. Back to neutral, reverse, back to neutral. This does have power tilt and trim. Go ahead and shut it off. Fire it back up. Will cavitate a little bit in the tank. If you're interested in it, you can give us a call at 952-894-4888, or you can email sales@bmr1.com. Thank you and have a great day.